From the book, Life Lesson from Epoch Chapter 2, Wisdom Section 5. The Four Pillars of Wisdom Outro. When all four pillars of wisdom come into existence in one's reality, they will enlighten the subject matter, objective, or idea, as well as the creation of having well-informed knowledge when it's established, that had to be engaged according to the order in which I presented. To put it simply, the order and reasoning of the pillars of wisdom are this. The wisdom of trade comes first because you will discover new information when your willingness accept to take action in reality. The wisdom of fear is second, and it will acknowledge it and influence you to change the course of action for the better. The wisdom of strength is third, and it will expand your knowledge with the right course of action. Lastly, the wisdom of power is fourth, and it's the advancement of the knowledgeable wisdom that you have obtained following up on it and can even go beyond what you can imagine. The foundations of the pillars of wisdom are you and your willingness, which makes the pillar rise when you decide to take action. This is our world order to make significant advances in the civilization in which we currently live today. It's your will that got you dancing with your feelings. Then the moment of silence have arrived, which it became clear that God gave you wisdom. Meaning your willingness was encouraged by your feelings to take upon an action that eventually became your wisdom. This is how wisdom works and what it can become of it. And everybody won't become a person of epoch status because that's how this world works, but by using your effort, you can make it a possibility. Good wisdom is obtained by embracing uncertainty at the same time, taking courageous action which had already been taken to become one's wisdom. True wisdom is awareness at play, conducting a kinesthetic sequence or an action that can improve future actions in your reality. Meaning that your past wisdom was real when you have further action by making your prior wisdom of what you obtained known to be true in one's reality. It's the real action you did before that can lead you to what is true, which is true wisdom that can be a sign of new wisdom. The trade of wisdom is to exchange your willingness with reality. If you always do what you always did, you will always get what you always got unless you want your wisdom to be strengthened. There's no chance unless you take one, because wisdom is the will that has already been performed, which is the stepping stone for true wisdom. You have to take real action to obtain wisdom that can lead you to true wisdom, which is furthering your action that you did before. Doing nothing, there's no trade, therefore doing nothing, there's no wisdom. Become epoch, not a fool. From the book, Life Lesson from Epoch by Meshach Ford, out now on Amazon.